Yeah, so hello guys, I just wanted to show you a very nice update. So if you are the type that has been doing data for absolutely much, this video is for you. If you are the type that needs data and you don't have much money to spend, this video is for you. And if you are an MTN user, this video is for you. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share my videos, and drop a comment. That way you are promoting this channel. Thank you as you do that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So now this video is focused on how to get you 15 gig for 2,000 naira. So 2,000 is way cheaper for 15 gig. So it's just like a kind of cheat code. Yeah, I can say it's a cheat code or something. But then let's get into the video. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to get the MyMTN NG app. So this app is available for both Android and iPhones. And on Android, just go to your Play Store, search for MyMTN.ng, and on the iPhone, just go to your App Store and search for MyMTN app. Alright, so my MTN app, you can just look for it. So this is it. I have my own as open here because I already have the app. So on your own, there might be something like download or update or something. Just download it into your device. And now the next thing you want to do is you open the app, and as you can see from my profile here, I have 31.4 gig. And if you do not have a profile, the walkthrough is very easy. Just input your number, they will send you an OTP, you input the OTP, and boom, you are in the app. So now when you get to this page, what you want to do is you go to buy data. Okay, now buy data, you just wait for it. So there's lots of data bundles you can do here, as you can see, and you can see these two is the frequent ones I've been doing because I don't have money for now. So what you want to do next is just go to categories. You see here are the categories of other things you can do. You have data bundle, data and voice bundle, blah blah blah. Just read through. And what you want to do here is you want to go to digital bundles. Yeah, these digital bundles. You click on it. Then you are greeted with 1 gig daily bundle, then 3.5 gig 2 days bundle. If this is what you want, fine, you can do it. As you can see, the prices are very cheap for the gigabytes you'll be getting. Alright, but we do not want to do daily bundles. We want to go to weekly here. Now weekly, I have 15 gig weekly bundle, which is at 2,000 naira, and this is the particular bundle we are talking about. Now we've gotten here. What next? So you click on buy now, then you click on proceed to make payment, then you tap on pay with bank, then you wait for it to load. So what this is basically doing is that, see, there's a message that came that I've initiated a transaction with a reference code and all. So what you want to do is you want to pay with your bank transfer, because actually you can't pay with your airtime. So I'm recommending bank transfer because it's the one that is most reliable to use. You get. So what you want to do now is to tap on bank transfer, and also if you have card, you can use your ATM card to pay also. So I will be clicking on bank transfer, then I'll wait for it to load. So what this is going to do for me is going to give me a kind of virtual bank account I can transfer the money to. Alright, so as you can see, it has given me Wema Bank with a virtual account number and the account name. So what I want to do is I will copy this account number, then go to my app or POS or anything and make a transfer of 2,000 naira. into this account number. Please note, the amount you are transferring must be equal to the amount of data you want to buy. Okay, you are buying a 2000 naira data, so you must transfer 2000 naira exactly. If you add 1 naira to the 2000 naira, you might not get your transaction to be approved. So 2000 naira sent to the account number 96698382221 Wema Bank. Once you are done with transfer, you wait for like 2-3 minutes, then you click on this particular yellow tab here that says click here after transfer. Then it's going to do the magic, it's going to roll and all. Then you'll be greeted with a screen that you've successfully subscribed to 15 gig of data for 7 days. So please know, this data is valid for 7 days and it's still worth it, because actually you can download as you like and all. So that's basically it about the video. Then please, if you know you like this kind of content and you prefer it, please just give me a subscribe, like this video, subscribe, then comment. That way you are promoting this channel. And on to the next one. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.